Hi everyone, my name is Tinker Wazida Tabassum. Presently I am pursuing M&A course in Jet King Shivaji Nagar in hardware and networks. So now in this video I will learn, or we will learn in this video, how to have a remote desktop within a LAN, because there are many ways of getting a remote desktop within a LAN or outside a LAN. So let's start with the steps of how to have a remote desktop within a LAN. So now start with the steps. Click on control panel. You will get a window where you will get a category, viewed by category, small icon and large icon. Select small icon, so you will have all the options displayed. Then go to user accounts, where you have an option called manage another account. So click on manage another account. Here already a user is existing, so now we need to create a user. Add new user in PC settings. So click on that. Then we have many options like create a password, change account name. So now we'll click on create a password. So give the password and the hint, and then create password. So now we have created a username with mic and password. And then we need to have a IP address for a system. So go to run window, then type command cmd, then click OK. Then in this command prompt window, type ipconfig. We'll get to know what is our IP address. That is 10.0.0.10. So we'll have the note of this because this is used afterwards. So now go to PC or the computer icon, click on that, right click on that, then go to properties, then go to remote settings, after which you have to select allow remote connections to this computer. Here we can give allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication also, but this will create a problem. So now we are not clicking this. And if you want to select users for this process, then we can select by going to select users, then give the name of that user, then we have to click on check names, OK. Click on OK. If we don't want to add any of the users, then we can go to cancel option. So now apply these settings, then click OK. So for now we have finished giving remote connection in first PC, settings in first PC. So now we have to go to second PC. Second PC, where we have to go? We have to go to start, then type remote, then we'll get to see the remote desktop connection option. So here in this space type IP address of the previous PC, that is 10.0.0.10. Then select connect. Now we'll have to enter username and password and click on remember my credentials. OK. Don't ask me again for connections of this computer, then yes. Now we have finished the process of remote desktop, and we got the remote desktop of the previous PC in the second PC. Thank you.